In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on a QuickBooks invoice. This process is simple and can be done in a few minutes, making it a breeze to update your settings to reflect the currency that suits your business needs. To begin with, you'll want to open a web browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already a user, you'll need to have an account. Now, once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. A prompt will appear asking for your email and password. This is the information you've used to set up your QuickBooks account. This step is crucial as it helps ensure the security and privacy of your financial data. After typing in your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Now that you're signed in, you'll have a view of your QuickBooks dashboard. It's full of all kinds of information and options. From here, we will navigate to the settings. Typically, there's a gear icon that represents the settings menu. Click on that. Once you've accessed the settings menu, you'll be shown several options related to your account customization and preferences. From this menu, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This section is where you can manage all sorts of things, including your company's information, sales transactions, expenses, and more. With the Account and Settings section open, you'll see a list of different tabs. These tabs help organize various settings to make things easier to find. What you want to focus on today is the Advanced tab. Click on it when you see it in the list. Now, under the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Currency. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that engage in international transactions or have operations in multiple countries. Changing the currency setting here helps ensure that your invoicing and reporting accurately reflect the financial transactions relevant to your business activities. Upon locating the currency section, you'll see a drop-down menu that includes a list of various currencies. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available options. From here, you can select the currency that matches your business requirements. Whether you're switching from US dollars to euros, British pounds, or any other currency, QuickBooks makes it easy to adjust. After you've chosen your desired currency, take a moment to double-check your selection. It's always a good idea to make sure you've picked the right option, especially because currency changes can impact how your invoices and reports are calculated and presented. Once you've confirmed your currency choice, the next and final step is to save your changes. There should be a clearly marked Save button on the screen. Click on this to ensure that all your adjustments are recorded. By saving your settings, you confirm the new currency choice for future invoices, paving the way for clarity and consistency in your financial transactions moving forward. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed the currency setting in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this change will apply to all your new transactions going forward, so it's a good idea to inform your team and, if necessary, communicate with your clients about any potential differences in how invoices may look or be processed. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. QuickBooks can be a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and understanding how to customize its settings to fit your needs is key to leveraging its full potential. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to check out more of our quick guides designed to help you get the most out of your financial software tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital resources.